In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to recover the Wi-Fi module for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series. The issue occurs when there was a firmware update, and after the firmware update, the wireless module disappeared. Let's head over to the control panel where we can show you what we meant. Go to Settings. Go to Network. Under Network, you can see that there is no Wi-Fi module. When this issue occurs, the only way to recover the printer is to call HP support, where they will provide a file for you to install onto a thumb drive. So once you have received the file and copy it into the thumb drive, load it into the USB host port on the printer. From the control panel, scroll to the left until you see USB drive. Select Firmware Update. Now select the file that you have just copied onto the thumb drive. Scroll up and select Yes to update. The firmware update is complete, and you can see the wireless LED is blinking. The wireless module is back. So with the Wi-Fi module back, you can use the HP app to set up and connect the printer to your network again. So this is how you recover the Wi-Fi module for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series.